In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the look of your slicers right here in Google Sheets. So when you've inserted a slicer as a dynamic filter onto your spreadsheet and you want to customize it, here's how you can do it. So here is the slicer that I've inserted on my spreadsheet. If I want to filter something within my data, what I'm going to do is to just click on the ellipsis, select Edit Slicer, and here we have it. What I'm going to do is to select the data range that you want to filter. Select the suggested one right here, click on OK, and here we can now choose a column that we can filter. Let's say I want to filter the department and just show the marketing department within my data. I'm going to go back to my slicer, select all right here, clear the selected data, and select just marketing. Click on OK, and here we have it. But if you're not satisfied on how your slicers look, you can always customize it by going to the other tab right here next to your data. There you have it. So here we have the title of the slicer, which is actually the column that you're filtering. Then you have the different formats that you can do for your slicers to change the look. So first we have the title font. So this is the font for the text that you see right here. If we change that into something else, there you go. We also can increase or decrease the font size. So if we want to make it bigger, there you have it. We also have the title format. If we want to put that in bold, we can do so, in italic, and even change the horizontal alignment. If we want to center it, there you have it. Now we move on to our text color. So right now it's at white, which is contrasting our background color, which is a dark gray. If we change our text color to, let's say, an orange, there we have it. And if we change our background color into a white to make it blend in with our spreadsheet, there you go. So other than customizing these parts right here, you can also resize your slicers, like so. And there you have it. So if I click out, you'll see that it's a different type of look from when we started. And again, if you want to edit the look, just click on that, go to the ellipsis, and select Edit Slicer. You'll see the Customize tab next to your Data tab. And that's how easy you can change the look of your slicers right here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.